Hey Falls, Matchvocal from W Originals back with another video. Falls, few days back I made a video on how to blur video background, and in comments many viewers wanted to know how to blur face in video. There were so many comments, so here I am. Today I wanna show you all how to track blur moving faces in video. Well, that's so cool. Well then, without wasting any time, let's start with the video and know how to blur moving faces in video. And for this, we will be using AVC Labs Video Blur AI app. AVC Labs Video Blur AI app for Windows provides AI automated solutions for face and video blur, with which we can blur moving faces and blur or pixelate any custom part or object in video with high consistency. Wow, that's so cool. Let's give it a try, and for that click on try it free. It starts downloading, and once AVC Labs Video Blur AI free download completes, click on this to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once done, click on this to open it. Now it will install few components like AI runtime, AI model and AI components. After that, here we have AVC Labs Video Blur AI app. So clean and simple UI. Now let's know how to use AVC Labs Video Blur AI app to blur face in video. Here we can simply drag and drop a video file or click on browse to open Windows file picker. Browse through to pick a video file. Once imported, here we have different features like face blur, fixed point blur, or next we have BG blur. As we want to blur face in video, click on face blur. Next, from here we can blur all faces or can also assign faces if you want to blur few selected faces in video. Next, we have blur type. Here we have mosaic or image. We can also add a custom image if you want to. In mosaic, we can select standard or blur. Selected blur from drop down menu. Now we can add face blur task by clicking on this. We can also preview video by clicking on this, and once we are ready, just click on export video. It will start exporting video. Once done, click on view output video. It opens output folder. Now from here we can view our video with blur face. Today I wanna show you all how to track blur moving faces in video. Well, that's so cool. Isn't that fantastic? I just love using AVC Labs Video Blur AI app, and I will highly recommend you to try it out. And if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. And you can watch this video from my channel to know how to blur video background in minutes. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you're new to W Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this, and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all how to blur video background just like this with best AI powered video blur app. आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप ऑफिशियल विंडोज 10 ISO फाइल फ्री डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।